For the past 10 years or so, maxi scooters have emerged in the local market. These hulking automatic bikes have become a favorite among urban commuters, especially for those who prefer their authoritative and intimidating appeal. That prompted more and more motorcycle brands to penetrate the market, including BMW Motorrad. The BMW C400 GT follows the maxi scooter design ethos: burly, expressive, and far from boring. But beyond the blue and white badge, the C400 GT presents a premium appeal. Maybe that's because of the paint quality, the host of LED lighting, or the apparent good build quality when seen up close. This scooter just looks expensive even without knowing its price tag. As a BMW, you'd expect the C400 GT to be filled with tech features, and you'd be right. The tester comes standard with the connectivity package, which means it has the good-looking colored TFT display that contains all your needed information for your daily commute. This system is controlled via a rotary switch on the left handle that's intuitive to use. For safety, you have the BMW Motorrad ABS front and back. Brakes are taken care of by dual discs at the front and a single disc at the back, both clamped on by 4-piston Biber calipers. Braking was never a problem even under perilous circumstances. The ABS worked just fine, plus I didn't feel any need for an upgrade. At a touch of a button, the BMW C400 GT's water-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke 350 cubic centimeter engine comes to life. The exhaust sounded polite, however, but that's fine since this is a maxi scoot, not a sports bike. Plus, BMW Motorrad has pulled all the stops to make this scooter a clean and green machine, so we're not expecting it to pair it up with an open exhaust that will pollute the air with noise. As for power, the BMW C400 GT puts out 34 horsepower and 35 Nm torque. The maximum pull was easily achieved at around 6,000 RPM, so it didn't feel lacking during my city commutes. In fact, in places where I could max out the electronic throttle, I could say that reaching 100 km per hour was effortless. However, despite the 400 on its nameplate, the C400 GT isn't highway legal, which reminds us that the government should really do something about that age-old regulation. Now, the price. BMW bikes are known to be expensive, and rightfully so since they offer more with their bikes. The story's the same with the C400 GT, which is priced at $595,000 and comes with a 5-year warranty. If you're looking for a premium choice for an urban commuter, this maxi scoot should be up on your list.